welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I have 1 hour before I need to go pick up Layton and then Austin from their camps. So I have a little to-do list of things that I need to get done before I leave. So I'm gonna do a quick power hour and see how much I get done. So on my to-do list, I have to start laundry. As you guys have seen before, my dryer, we're waiting for a new one and it takes forever. So I won't be able to fold it and do any of that. However, I can start that, get that going first thing. I need to get our suitcases up from, or down from the attic because we leave for Disney in a week. So exciting. I need to put away, I took down all of our summer decor so that way I have like a blank slate for when I come back from Disney to decorate for fall. So I need to put that bin upstairs. I want to clean the glass, like the glass back doors, all the mirrors and all that in the house. I want to clean the appliances, vacuum, and mop. So that is a pretty big to-do list in a very short amount of time. So, but we're gonna see what we can get done. So I'm going to stop talking and get going. Make sure you guys are subscribed and you give this video a thumbs up to know let me know you love the cleaning motivation. So I know I do. I watched a few of Kristen Casper's videos. I'm getting so ahead of myself. Kristen Casper's videos this morning to get me up and motivated throughout my day. So let me know if you guys love these videos and they give you motivation in the comments. I love to hear from you guys. So like I said, I digress. I'm going to stop talking and get this to-do list started.
A couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close. Ooh, closer than before. And no one knows that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings. I just need you to know that I want you close. Ooh, closer than before. I know that we've been through a lot. Now we're hiding in the crowd. I'll be whatever you want me to be. You know I'm on your side. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close. Ooh, closer than before. And no one knows that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings. I just need you to know that I want you close. Ooh, closer than before. Closer than before. Closer than before. Hiding all my feelings, broken from the start. Wish you never leave me. Am I going too far? But I want you close, closer than before. But I want you close. Ooh, closer than before. And no one knows that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings. I just need you to know that I want you close. Ooh, closer than before. Closer than before.
car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh,
I am sweating to death. I think it was going up in the attic. It's like 1,000,000 degrees up there. But let's check my to-do list and see where we are. All right, so we have started the laundry, got the suitcases, I put away the decor, I cleaned the glass, and cleaned the appliances. And I need to take a breath, apparently. So next is just vacuuming and mopping, and then before I leave, the laundry should be ready to be switched over, but I won't switch that over until I get back because I don't, where the dryer's kind of funky, I don't like to leave the dryer going while I'm not home. So I'm gonna take a second, drink some water, and then I'm going to vacuum this whole area and then use my steam mop. Sometimes I like to use my spin mop, and sometimes I like to use my steam mop. So today I'm doing the steam mop, and I'm going to put a little lemon essential oil on the bottom of the pad. That works so well and gives your house like a really nice clean smell. So that is what's going on next.
in my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Wide awake is the way that you I wanna be by your side. I wanna be by your side.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love,
vacuuming and mopping is all done. I got everything done on my to-do list. I can't talk today. On my to-do list, just in time to make myself some lunch and then go pick up the kids. So I will just pack up my lunch and eat it on the way. So thank you guys so much for watching. Look out for Pack With Me videos and what I am packing for my family of 5 to go to Disney. So that will be, I'm actually doing that video this afternoon. So you'll see that pretty soon after you guys see this video. So thank you again so much for watching. Make sure if you haven't already, you hit that thumbs up button and you also subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Give me